In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a test and review of this needle felting bee and ladybug kit from Wool Buddy. Hi and welcome to today's video, a test and review of this needle felting bee and ladybug kit from Wool Buddy. My name is Iceland and I'm your fiber artist host here on Snowflake Forest Felting, where I share needle felting videos, tutorials, and more. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you find this video helpful, you can always hit the thanks, like button, and or share these videos where you can. Also, keep an eye out. I do usually make time lapses for the things I needle felt, so there will be one of those videos for this one as well. And if there's anything that you're interested in on this channel, be sure and check those links down in the description below. I have stuff linked there for you. Also, I want to give a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed since my last video. There's been about 300 or 400 of you. It really does mean a lot to me. And thank you to my returning subscribers. The support here is everything. A giant thank you from me. Now, let's do this. I'll start by showing you the kit here up close. Have not even unboxed it yet. This definitely is going to be a fun, cute little kit here. Let's open it. And again, don't forget, I'm going to have this linked for you down in the description below. It's even put here on the box, woolbuddy.com, easy, eco-friendly. I love that. That was one of the first things I was excited to put in my bio when setting everything up. Oh, look at this. A nice little thank you. More needle felting classes are available on the website, as well as if you buy a kit, you will get a coupon code. Alright, red, golden, black, and some cream. Oh, it comes with the needle felting needles too. This is lovely. It's that simple. See, I love projects like this where it doesn't require a ton of colors to accomplish. Just simple, so you can test it, see if you like it. You don't have to invest in a ton right away. Most people though, once you start collecting wool and finding you like fiber, you're just in. Fiber is fiber. It is fun. This is great. Look at how perfect this is. Instructions on each side, little step-by-step pictures. Oh, I love how this is put together. That's everything in this kit. Take a little peek here at these needles closer. And then what would a needle felting kit be without a test of the product in order to review it? Anyways, I've got to be super careful here. I don't want to break the tips. As you can see, I like how it has the safety reminder, and this says recommended for ages 8 and over. I will say when my 6-year-old did it, you could see was apt to maybe just want to leave a needle sitting out, and that can be the dangerous part. So definitely supervision if you're doing projects with little ones, because I know projects like this, I mean, look how cute they are. They're going to want to get involved too. So let's get to it. I grabbed one of my needle felting foams here. We have the 4 colors of wool, the 2 needles that were provided. I'm going to follow step-by-step direction, starting with the Ladybug. The Ladybug uses white wool for the body, red and black for the details. Set the gold aside, and yellow for the bee. Roll a bit of the white wool for basic shape of the body. Save some additional white wool for later use. Work on a soft surface such as a felting mat. Poke repeatedly into the body until it becomes a ball shape. I did notice there is a decent amount of like stuff in the wool that I've stopped and picked out. Some people might tend to leave it. I tend to pull it out. The next step is lay a thin layer of red wool over the ball. This wool is felting up very nice. A line that'll be defined as the face here, and then I'll felt the rest on. There's my little one. Hello, princess. I'm almost done with the ladybug. We're getting there. Twist a bit more black wool into a thin strand across the center. And now on to roll several small black dots. Poke into position on the body.
Sometimes wishing makes things happen.
And you've finished your own ladybug. Super cute. I'm going to give it a final trim with the scissors, get all the excess fibers off of it over a different surface area, not my work area here. That's easier to clean. I think hers look better, but what a fun and cute little felting project. Ladybug, perfect for spring as well. The bumblebee uses white wool for the body, yellow and black for the details.
Are you making the bee now?
Yes, I am. Make it clear that the body was going to be separate from the head before I got started, because I have a feeling I want to pick out the size of these items, and I also want it to pair nicely the ladybug.
Your caterpillar.
Lay a thin layer of yellow wool over the whole body. To twist a bit of black wool into a thin strand. Wrap the strand around the body and poke it into position. Add additional strands as shown. Next up is roll a small amount of white wool to form 2 eyes. Position the eyes on the face and pierce continuously. Roll 2 small black dots to form pupils and poke into the center of each eye, just in the position there. It does not show doing the black around the outside of the eye, which you can see here as well, so I'm going to add that in. And you finished your own Wool Buddy Bumblebee. Last up, the final trim on it. What a wonderful kit. I had such a fun time testing and reviewing this. These little guys came out so cute, did they not? And I like how you can kind of personalize them and make them slightly your own. I'll show you each one a little closer here.
Your bee and ladybug is so cute.
They are?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you. Love you. My beautiful angel. And that's it for today's needle felting test and review. This bee and ladybug kit from Wool Buddy. Thank you so much for the opportunity to share this with everyone here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure and hit that thanks button. I had a ton of fun creating these little critters for spring. They're such a fun craft with summer around the corner, like I was saying. It was quick, easy, the instructions step by step, super simple to get through. A great way to test out needle felting, see if you like it. And if there's something you'd like to see me felt next, drop it down in the comments below. I might just felt it. I'll see you in the next one. Happy felting. Bye!